Greetings. Welcome to the Spirit Downloaded Messages for May. This month in May will be like a hop, skip, and a jump. Before you know it, May will be over. Here are some things that you can look forward to and that you very well may encounter during the month of May. The first thing is that this month is a very unique month as we have full moons, new moons, and a Mercury retrograde. Now, in a spiritual sense, those are shifts in the universe that cause different things to happen in the physical realm. A retrograde causes everything to stop. Whatever that planet is in, it causes that planet and the effect of that planet to come to a halt. With a Mercury retrograde, it is all about communication, contracts, electronics, etc. During a retrograde period, we encourage you to sit still. Don't start anything new. If you have not already begun the progress, the process, or the purpose, we advise you to wait until the retrograde is over. The month of May will also bring about resilience in those who are going through things. When you connect yourself to the divine, when you connect yourself to higher power, when you connect yourself to the source of all sources, things that would seem huge in the physical realm become very small because you know that you're not handling those alone. This resilience is going to come up because there is going to be a little turbulence in the month of May. And the turbulence that we see is around interpersonal relationships. So how you communicate with someone, how someone is communicating with you, how you talk to someone, how someone talks to you, trying to work out conflicts, things like that will be a little challenging this month. So we encourage you to be gentle with not only yourself, but with those that you are dealing with throughout the month of May. And that is where the resilience comes up because it shows you who you are. This month, if you're not sure about who you are in dealing with certain situations and circumstances this month, you will absolutely positively know and understand not only who you are, but who your higher power is as well. May is a month for you to get things tidy, to get things in order, to get things in order in the present moment. We're not talking about going back to April and March and trying to fix those things up. We're talking about focusing on the present moment and getting things in order. This is a time to look and assess the things in your life. What is it that you want to continue to take with you, carry with you, have during your life's journey? This is a time for releasing, which may also cause a little bit of chaos because some things and everybody cannot go. To many of you, this is a very unsettling message. Many of you listening to this have a very hard problem. Your challenge is releasing and letting go of things that no longer serve you. And we hear some of the questions that you ask, like, what if nothing better comes? What if this is all I've got? What if this is all that I deserve? And we're asking you this month to do the inner work. Do the inner work. Do the inner work on yourself. Once you understand who you are, it changes the dynamics of what you attract, and that changes the dynamics of what comes into your life. You manifest and co-create with the divine. When you understand that the divine is within you and you are worthy and deserving of everything that you seek, everything that you ask for, those things start to show up. But if you're holding on to things, see, so we're back to the clearing out of things. If you're holding on to things that no longer fit or serve in your current circumstances, you are blocking the entry for something else. When you trust in the move of spirit in your life, you realize that there's always something better. There is someone here who's been dealing with a marriage way too long. There's someone here that is waiting for someone to marry them. This is the chaos of May, because it has to be a discontinuance of things that are not turning into action. Words are great. Words are great. Words are great. Action is better. The marriage that you're in, it's not going to be repaired by just one person. You're waiting on the individual to marry you. You're waiting, so therefore they have that control of the waiting. You have free will. You can always do whatever you choose. We just come to educate. When you let go and trust, something better always shows up. Better than you can even imagine. There is someone here this month that will hear this, that is not following the doctor's orders. You need to make an appointment. You need to go back to the doctor, and you need to do what the doctor is telling you to do ASAP. May is also a month that will be full of resources. It's as if there is this shift of energy that is causing things to happen immediately. So be careful with your words. Resources. So if you are working on something this month that you have been working on and you're trying to complete it, bring it through, call it in, claim it, decree it, you need to be very careful with your words, because the shift of energy says you want it, you got it. Good or bad. The month of May will also bring unexpected children, babies. We see lots of babies this month. The month of May will bring lots of unexpected surprises. But the most important surprise would be you believing in yourself enough to nourish yourself and be present in the here and now. The month of May is about getting it organized, mind, body, and spirit, as well as your physical spaces. It's about finding a balance in your life, a balance in love, a balance in business, a balance in friendships. It's about releasing things that you no longer need in your life. We cannot express that enough. It is so relevant this month. This month, again, is going to bring up a lot of things to the forefront. Things that you need to pay attention to. It's almost as if May is coming to put those things on your plate and in position in front of you so that you have to make choices about these things. And you may be saying that this doesn't seem like it's going to be a great month. The month of May is going to be a fabulous month, because when you leave this month, if you do the work, you are going to leave it so much lighter. Peace be with you.